Hi, I am Atharva Ghatpande, founder of Vulpera. People often ask me, why a cap brand? And honestly, it's a fair question. The answer is simple. We didn't start Vulpera just to manufacture caps. We started it because we believed people deserved something better. When we looked in the market, we noticed a clear gap. Most caps were either inexpensive products with average quality or premium products that were priced far beyond what people would consider reasonable. Even in the corporate branding space, businesses often had to compromise on comfort, durability, fit, and design. We asked ourselves a simple question: why can't a cap offer premium quality, exceptional comfort, long lasting durability, beautiful design, and branding flexibility all in one product? That question became the foundation of Vulpera. Our vision has always been to build products that people genuinely enjoy wearing every single day, while also helping businesses showcase their brands with pride. At Vulpera, every cap is thoughtfully designed, from carefully selected premium fabrics and breathable construction to moisture-wicking sweatbands, structured crowns that retain their shape, precision embroidery, premium printing techniques, adjustable fittings, and rigorous quality inspections throughout the process. Because we believe premium isn't about just appearance, it's about how a product feels, how long it lasts, and how confidently you wear it. Today, Vulpera offers a wide range of premium headwear, from lifestyle and streetwear collections to officially licensed collections featuring globally loved characters and sports franchises, alongside fully customized branding solutions for businesses, events, and organizations. For us, a cap is never just an accessory. It's a reflection of your personality, your journey, your team, your passion, and sometimes even your brand's identity. This is the only beginning of what we are building at Vulpera. Thank you for believing in our vision and for becoming a part of our journey. Vulpera, with you on every move.